What's up, 10th Scale Squad? We are out here at the crawler course, and today we've got something pretty spectacular. Remember a couple weeks ago when Reese gave us almost all of his RCs? Well, we went through the Gen 8 and did a couple little things to it, and now that thing is up and running. We got the winch working. It's freaking awesome. And Ethan came out here with the Gen 8, and Kenny came out here with his Gen 8 Axe Edition. Probably the sickest crawler ever, would you agree?
Oh yeah, definitely.
But today, we're gonna put them head to head. We're gonna see what's what. Let's do it. We're gonna give him the old trip around the fire ring o' death, is that right?
Fire pit o' death.
Fire pit o' death. We're gonna do the Gen 8 first. Now, these trucks are pretty much identical except for body and the motors. So this one obviously just has a 540 brushed motor, but it's got portal axles for that ground clearance. Same tires, same wheels, same chassis, same suspension. Pretty much everything is the same. But you know, hashtag brushed motors matter. This thing is extraordinarily capable. I mean, if as far as like pretty budget spec goes, these things are just about some of the best value as far as like a 10th scale legit crawler. And they've been on the market for a couple years now, so there's plenty of aftermarket support for it. They're on version like 3 or 4 now, so all the early issues have been pretty much sorted out. Nicely done, beautiful. All right, Kenny, show us how it's done with that Hobbywing axe system. I mean, the first thing you notice is like, it's just quieter. Brushless systems, oh, that was close. Brushless systems are just a little bit quieter. So, you know, you don't have that, oh, look at that flex. It's beautiful. So you don't have that brushed motor kind of whine. And it's definitely really smooth through the power band. Is he gonna hold on to it? We're in a bad way here. If you had just a little bit more angle. It was a good attempt. So Kenny has put the light kit in this, right? It didn't come with a light kit. So he put the Gen 8 light kit in it, and it just looks sick. I mean, so the Axe Edition, not only does it have a brushless system, oh, same thing! So as I was saying, not only does the Axe Edition have the brushless system in it, but it also has this super sick body with full interior, all blacked out. It's looking beautiful. Here we go. This is the danger zone right here. It looks like he's gonna do it. The approach angle is legit. Nicely done. Up next, we got the long bridge o' doom. This is gonna be pretty cake for these things, I would imagine. Beautiful. There you can kind of hear the difference in sound. Easy. Now, it is worth mentioning that Kenny is running a 2S battery in his, but it's absolutely 3S capable, and it's a freaking wild savage animal on 3S, while Ethan is running his on 3S. So the power between them I would say is pretty comparable, even though Ethan has a bigger battery. Nicely done up the tree of doom. If you notice here, every obstacle has doom in the name, which seems appropriate. Oh! Oh no! Yeah, that could have ended a lot worse.
I fell down it last time I was here.
All right, first generation Gen 8. Easy does it. Nice. Oh, lifting a wheel. The teeter-totter of doom. Oh, oh, oh. All right, let's see it, Houdini. Oh, he's off. He's off. Ah. So, I mean, there's definitely something to be said for brushed motors, but looking at the two next to each other, that axe system is just so buttery smooth. Now, obviously, we have to find out which one is faster, right? So it's going to be brushless versus brushed, 2S versus 3S. Ethan on the brush 3S, Kenny on the brushless 2S. There's only one way to do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and the brushless, and the brush takes an early lead. Oh yeah, 3S has got the legs on you regardless of what motor's in there. Yeah, brushed motors matter. Kenny, what are you doing?
Put in a 3S.
Putting in a 3S?
Oh yeah.
Not to be outdone. The race of the century, brushed versus brushless, both on 3S now. Are we ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, let's get it. There we go. Oh, but there's not much in it. There's not much in it. Oh, Ethan's got the inside line, and it was enough to bridge the gap as they both go over the first hill. What is happening? There's body contact before turn number 2. Oh my gosh. Racing crawlers, that's what we've come to.
Me down.
And the slowest one-lap race in history.
Oh, if he wouldn't have rolled, it would have been over.
Yeah.
That thing has got some freaking...
It's got some jam. It's got some jam. Nice. Yes. Yes. Oh, the power. You want to be dragged?
Oh, did you see the donut I just did on the side of the hill?
I think so. I can see the evidence of it for sure. I got you. Kenny's shirt says champion. He's prepared. He's already won this. All right. They're ready to tug each other off. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, do it. Oh! Oh, come on, brush motors matter!
Woo, go forward. There you go.
Now Kenny's gonna get into the grass here. Whoever's got traction, I think, is gonna be the winner.
Ready? Yep.
Don't worry about me. Oh, nice! Oh, that's gonna be a. I think Kenny's got the beans for sure.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure that's not going to burn up a brushed motor at all. We're going to send her out in a blaze of glory.
Right. They actually really kind of just held their own, didn't they?
Yeah, Kenny's has more power though. It seemed like the brushless definitely had a little bit more authority. Boom! So there you have it, guys. What do you think of that? That Axe Edition is just a super sick system to put in a crawler, and the fact that Redcat, I mean, you can get it factory, you know, it's pretty sick. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down below. Do you have a Gen 8? What's your favorite crawler? Is your crawler brushless, or are you on team hashtag brush motors matter? Let me know down below. And if this is your first time checking out the channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. We like to do RC shenanigans like this all the time. We've got some wicked stuff coming up. You're gonna want to stick around. All right, guys, until next time. Chopping TRX4s out here.